visit.
Yeah, I didn't come in here intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a .08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
I come in here. I had a night, okay, with friends, okay. We enjoyed our moment, okay. I had a few drinks, okay. I can't.
Sir,
Trials.
why do you want a final pretrial?
I guess.
You're not getting.
Yeah.
This guy's been in the system long enough. What kind of trial you want?
Can you get Caitlin in here just so, or
Is that for the probation, Your Honor?
Yeah, he's got 2 files that he hasn't done a damn thing I've told him to do.
He's told me that he's completed all of the probation requirements. However,
Then you might want to talk to, you don't want to talk in front of me. You might want to talk to probation because I'm getting ready to put him in jail for 6 months.
thank you, Your Honor.
I'll let you hold the files until you talk to probation.
Mr. Stover, sir, you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
And it's shown.
Thank you. Hold on just a minute. Just so you know, we told Mr. Smith we'll just give him a notice.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll let you know what the date is.
I think I
Okay.
got it right up right here from Mr. Smith.
I don't know why there's 2.
Oh, no. It's just an adjournment.
Yeah, adjourn for discovery.
gonna be in person, just so you know, remember? You did a sentencing, Mr. Louder, we changed to,
Yeah, DeLauder's not a pretrial day.
That's fine.
Yeah, so this will be a different date.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, today's the date, time set for violation of probation.
I've got 2 files. I've got a file ending in 1182, and I've got
Violation of probation is he picked up new charges. I'm not addressing the new charges because he has a retained attorney
right,
on the new charges.
and a date to come back on that file.
Right.
Right.
But he has an issue today, Your Honor. With the courtroom.
So that's not the only issue today. The new charges are an allegation that they would be a violation of probation, but my indication from the probation department is that Mr. Schomer has not done anything I've told him to do. Told him to do treatment at GrowthWorks, told him to do community service, gave him work program days. Has he ever showed you any indication of treatment?
No indication or documentation of treatment, Your Honor. He did complete his 30 hours of community service, which was a sanction for appearing at the court intoxicated.
Right.
And no documentation of treatment. He did complete the order of 10 days on the work program. Again, that's a sanction. Completed 8 or 9, I believe, and on that 8 or 9th day was when he was intoxicated while on work.
Right. So he hadn't finished the work program. He showed up here, including today, at least 3 times under the influence. What was his PBT today?
Today is 0.10.
All right. Do you have, Mr. Bowditch, do you have any concerns whether or not Mr. Schomer is so intoxicated that he can't make informed decisions today?
Your Honor.
All right. So are we entering a responsible or a guilty plea to the violation or a not guilty plea?
Well, Your Honor, I said he's plead guilty. He picked up a new charge and he's intoxicated in court. That's obviously a violation. So we'd be pleading guilty. He said his explanation, he can afford that to Your Honor.
I'm willing to listen to anything you've got to tell me, Mr. Schomer.
Excuse.
It was last night. I had girls and friends come over. We were playing cards till like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I went to bed after that. I didn't wake up this morning to sign anything. Right? I came in here, took a shower, had my coffee, and I showed up here early.
All right.
The 10th to a case that they think I was drunk, and there's no proven evidence of that.
I'm not talking about that file. That's,
Okay.
you've got to,
I was here this morning.
yeah. Yeah, but you knew you were coming here. It wasn't a surprise visit.
Yeah, I didn't come in here intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a .08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
Come in here. I had a night, okay, with friends, okay. We enjoyed our moment, okay. I had a few drinks, okay. I can't.
Sir, Don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. And you had more than a few.
Say, who was counting? I mean, I'm just enjoying the moment.
I bet you'll be counting now because I'm violating on both these files and you're going to do 90 days in jail on each file. I don't understand how your head works.
Listen, I can get Uber to take.
No, I'll provide transportation for the next trip. 90 days in jail on each of these two files, and then we'll close them out unsuccessfully.
I'll look my own.
That's not my concern.
It's my job.
That's not my concern. Sir, I have given you every leeway.
I didn't do this intentionally.
You accidentally got so drunk last night that you're at a .10 at 11 a.m.
I felt,
Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. The kind of behavior I'm seeing from you is what I'm used to seeing in 20-year-olds. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
What do you want this way? You think we're my pets? Are they here now? No. Okay, we got.
Never ceases to be baffled. You know? All right. Thank you, Mr. Bowditch.
Add-ons to break.
It must. We've been talking about it. He's always the most pleasant of people, and he keeps making decisions like a young and dumb.
Wait, is, he'll sober for, 180 days?
And he'll get drunk when he gets out.
You lose control of that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, we're taking.
But now, you know, all this stuff, it's stupid, but it's not dangerous. But now the allegation is he's driving like that. Right? I mean, we can't,
Get ahead of the drive.
he's gone beyond, he's a nuisance. Right? Now he's a danger.
Thank you.
And just like that, the judge brings this case to a decisive end. After reviewing the violations, failing to complete required treatment, appearing intoxicated in court multiple times, and picking up new charges, the court determines that probation simply isn't working. Instead of continuing to give warnings, the judge imposes 90 days in jail on each of the two cases, closing them out unsuccessfully. In many courts, probation is meant to be a second chance, but when someone repeatedly ignores those opportunities, judges often shift from rehabilitation to accountability. So what do you think about this ruling? Was the judge being too harsh, or was this exactly the consequence the defendant earned? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.